IDLA, or Idaho Digital Learning Academy, is a way for students to take classes and earn credits online. But what reasons would make you take an online class?
Well, sometimes it's because there's courses that we can't offer here at Timberlake, so they can get them through IDLA, and sometimes their schedule is kind of full, so they take classes through IDLA.
So what students walking the halls of Timberlake are taking IDLA?
I'm in online economics.
I've taken one online class over the summer, and right now I'm taking government online.
Yeah, I'm taking history online.
I have taken history online.
I've taken history A and B courses for the history classes required for high school. I've taken econ, I've taken health, and right now I'm taking world history in place of CWP because I could not take my CWP class because our school doesn't offer anymore.
So what is the benefit to ditching the books and grabbing a computer?
I took my online class so I could graduate early.
It's not my favorite way to take a class, but it's convenient. If I had to go to Moscow to take the class, I wouldn't be taking it. So.
If you don't have room in your schedule to do it, you can just do an online class.
I wouldn't have been able to take weights, so I took history online so I could fit that in my schedule, so that's one major benefit for it.
Because it gives me the opportunity to get involved in the classes that you can't always be involved in all together.
But what are the challenges that come with IDLA?
I don't have a teacher helping me with most stuff, and so it's just like hard for me to get myself motivated to do it.
Like having an online teacher can make it harder to get one-on-one help.
You don't really have set times, so you have to kind of make deadlines for yourself.
You actually have to want to do it, and it's really easy to forget to do it and do it on time.
Although IDLA can never fully replace a teacher, it is a very useful option if you are up for the challenge.